Good morning, students. Myself, Ashutosh Srivastav. Today, we will discuss about integers. That is chapter number 1 in NCERT. Chapter number 1, integers. Okay. One more book is there, that is APC publication. M.L. Agrawal, he is the writer. Clear? M.L. Agrawal book. Clear? That also I will tell. From that book, I will also tell you questions, introductions, and whatever question is there given, that also we will discuss. And in NCERT, from NCERT, first we will discuss from NCERT. Clear? Means chapter is integers. Clear? Means in this chapter we will read about the numbers, number line, means how many types of number. Clear? Means that we will discuss. First of all, I will tell you natural number. Clear? Natural number. Natural number. Natural number means counting numbers are called natural number. Clear? Natural numbers, we can say counting numbers are called natural numbers. Means that is start from 1. That is start from 1. If the number start from 1, that is natural number. We can say also. If the number start from 1, clear? Got? Natural numbers. Clear? Example is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? Natural numbers, if the number starts from 1, clear? From 1 is called natural number. Example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that etc. Means you think wherever you can use counting number. Counting numbers, suppose that so many things is there. Clear? If in front of you 100,000 things is there and you don't know how much is there. Clear? So you will count it. So you will count how? How you will count? You will start from 1 by direct. You don't can say it is 100, it is 1000, it is 200, it is 150, because you don't know how much is there. Clear? When you will count it, then you will know how much is there. Clear? You will start from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? That is, then you can, after the counting, you can tell how much thing is there. Clear? Second thing, whole number. The natural number, I told you, if the number start from 1, that is natural number. Whole number means all natural numbers together 0. All natural numbers together with 0 is called whole number. Clear? All natural number together with 0 are called whole number. Clear? All natural numbers together with 0 are called whole number. Clear? Example: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Clear? If the number start, you can say in next language, if the number start from 0, that is whole number. In natural number, if the number start from 1, that is natural number. If the number start from 0, that is whole number. Means in whole number, natural number is coming, but in natural number, whole number is not coming. Clear? Because there is no 0. Only simple difference between natural number and whole number. What the difference? Difference is natural number start from 1 and whole number numbers start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is whole number. And natural number start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is natural number. Clear? Second thing about the whole number. Second thing is whole number. All natural numbers together with 0 are called whole numbers. Clear? In second language we can say if the number start from 0, that is whole number. Second thing, every natural number means it is clearly we can say कि every natural number are called whole number. Every natural numbers is a listen carefully. It is clearly every natural numbers is a whole numbers, but 0 is not a natural number. 0, that is not natural number, that is a whole number. Clear? But 0 is a whole number, which is not a natural number. So whole number means all natural numbers together with 0 are called whole numbers. Example: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Clearly I am telling you every natural number is a whole number. Clear? But 0 is a whole number which is not a natural number. Means 0 you can't say in natural number. Clear? 0. When 1, 2, 3, 4 is there and there you are writing 0, so that is whole number. Means when with natural number is coming 0, that is changing whole number. Clear? If 0 is not there, that is natural number. Clear to you? Note down this. Next thing, integers. We will discuss. Now we will discuss about the integers. Integer means all the positive and negative numbers are called integer, including 0 also. All the positive and negative numbers are called integers, including 0. Means Positive means all natural numbers. We can say all natural numbers, that is integer. Clear? Means we can write all counting numbers together with 0. Clear? And negative numbers also and integers. Clear? All counting numbers together with 0 and negative numbers also and integer. Clear? Means all counting number means all positive numbers. All positive and negative numbers including 0 are integers. Clear? Integer means, suppose that one number line I am taking example. It is a number line. Clear? Midpoint is 0. Clear? It is a right hand side, it is a left hand side. Clear? So here is positive number and here we can write negative number. Clear? Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is -1, -2, -3, -4. See, here is all the positive and negative numbers including 0 are called integers. Means you can write from the number line. If you want to write definition, so you understand this example whatever I am telling you. All the positive numbers and negative numbers including 0 are called integers. Where is the problem? No any other problem. It is a very easiest form. Integer definition you can write very easily and you understand also very easily. Integer means all the positive and negative numbers are called integers including 0. 0 is the midpoint. Right hand side positive, left hand side negative numbers. Clear? Suppose that you are thinking कि how 0 is an integer. So 0 is an integer because it is not a positive and negative number. Clear? 0 is an integer. Clear? Because it is not positive or negative. Clear? It is the midpoint of number line. Here is negative, here is positive. Clear? It is the, if anyone is asking you how many types of integer, you can say 2 types, positive integer and negative integer. If any number is there and that is the front of sign is positive. Positive means if any number is there. Suppose that example, suppose that here we get 5. So before the 5 no sign is there. Means there is positive sign. It is a positive integer. Suppose that written -2. Clear? So which type of integer? It is a negative integer. Clear? Understand? Positive means if any number is there and front of sign no sign is there, that is a positive. And if any number front of sign is given minus sign, that is negative integer. Clear? I think you understand very well. I told you natural numbers, whole numbers and integer. Clear? Natural number means if the number start from 1, that is natural number. If the number start from 0, that is whole number. Integer means all the positive and negative numbers are called integer including 0. Number line also I told you. Clear? Next thing, addition of integers. Means suppose that integers is given, clear, and you want to do add. So how you will do? Some property I am telling you. First is closure property of addition. Closure property of addition. Clear? Closure property of addition means, suppose that if addition means plus, sum means plus. The sum of two integers is always an integer. The sum of two integers always an integer. Means if you are doing plus of two integers, so you will get always integers. Means suppose that example I am taking. Example is 7, 4. Clear? So 7 and 4 both are positive integer. Clear? If front of sign is not given, front of sign is not given, means there is positive. When we are doing plus, so 7 plus 4 equal to 11. So it is also integer. Clear? 7 is integer, 4 is integer. When we are doing plus, 7 plus 4 equal to 11. 11 is an integer. Clear? Closure property of addition means in this property, simple. In this property, when two integer is given, that is positive, negative, no problem with that. Negative also we are taking 1 minus 5 and second is 4. Clear? So it is negative integer, it is positive integer. When you are doing plus, minus 4, minus 5 plus 4, minus plus minus, 5 minus 4, 1. Minus sign. Why we are taking here minus? Because minus 5 is greater than 4 and front of sign is minus, that's why we are taking here minus sign. It is a minus one. Clear? Means in closure property, if two integer is given, there is no matter if there is positive integer is given, negative integer is given, you don't think about that. Whatever integer is given there, that when if you are doing plus, you will get an integer. Always you will get an integer. Clear? Second property, second commutative. Law of addition. Commutative law of addition means, suppose that you are taking two integers, we have taken one integer a and b. Clear? When we are doing plus, a and b integer means if you are doing plus a plus b equal to b plus a, means you are interchanging the place only. A plus b equal to b plus a. After that, if result is coming same, that is commutative law of addition. Clear? When we are taking a and b are any integer, clear? A and b, why we are taken? Because it is a variables. We can take what? Other value. A and b. If suppose that you have taken a equal to 1. If a equal to 1 and b equal to 5. Clear? After that we are doing plus. So a plus b equal to b plus a means 1 plus 5 equal to 5 plus 1. So 6 equal to 6. So both are same or not? both are same. Clear? It is commutative law of addition. Means in commutative law of addition you can change the place of integer. After that result will become same. Clear? Why it is coming same? Right? You have taken 1 and 5, so you are doing plus, na? If suppose that here is written a plus b, here is b minus a. If sign is there minus, then result will become different. But here is sign is same, integers is same. So how result will become different? Result will become positive. Result will become same. If you have taken one more example, I am taking if a equal to 15, b equal to minus 25. Clear? Then put the value. So a means 15 plus b means minus 25. Clear? Equal to minus 25 plus 15. No problem is there. Calculation 15 plus into minus minus 25 minus 25 plus 15. So 25 minus 15 0 1. Here is minus. Here is also minus 10. See, result is same. When we will subtract 15 and 25, we will get minus 10. Minus 25 plus 15, that is also minus 10. Because minus plus minus. See, minus into minus plus. Plus into plus plus. Plus into minus minus. Minus into plus minus. Clear? When sign is same, the result will be positive. Sign will be different, the result will be negative. But here you will take plus and minus. How you can think? You will see that number. Two number is there. Clear? That is 25 and 15. 15 front of sign is plus, 25 front of sign is minus, and you will compare the number. 25 is greater than 15. 25 is greater than 15. Clear? Means 25 front of sign, whatever is there. If plus is there, you will take plus. If minus is there, you will take minus. If 25 front of sign is plus, so your result will be positive. But here the sign is negative, result will be negative. Clear? Next, associative. Associative condition. Clear? So here we, in previous two conditions we have taken two integers. So here we are taking three integers. Suppose that you are thinking if we are taking three integers a, b and c, so how we can do plus? There is no problem. There is no problem. You, whatever you have done in previous, you will follow here also. Suppose that if a, b and c are any three integers. If a, b and c are any three integers, suppose that you are doing plus a plus b plus c equal to a plus b plus c. Like this if you are doing. Clear? No problem. No problem. See, you take value a, b and c. If a equal to 5, B equal to -1, C equal to 10. Suppose that you have taken this value, put the value 5 plus minus plus 10. 5 plus minus 1 plus 10. So 5 plus minus 5 minus 1 4 plus 10 5 plus 10 minus 1 9. See here, minus 1 plus 10 minus plus minus 10 minus 1 9. You will do minus. Why? Because plus into minus equal to minus. Clear? But compare the number. 1 is less than a 10. 10 is the greater. 10 front of sign is plus, 1 front of sign is minus. So you will take plus sign. We have taken here plus 9. Clear? So 4 plus 10 40, 9 plus 5 40. Both result is same. No problem is there. Clear? It is a associative law addition. Note down this. Next, existence of additive identity. Clear? Suppose that any integers for integer x, for any integer x we have taken, means if any integer x we have taken, if in x we are doing plus 0, x plus 0 equal to 0 plus x we have taken, means 0 is called, what is 0? 0 is called the additive identity. Clear? 0 is called the additive identity for any integers. Means if in any integer we are doing plus 0, if in any integer we are doing plus 0, so we will get that integer. Means example, suppose that x equal to, we have taken 7. So 7 plus 0 equal to 0 plus 7, means 7 equal to 7. Clear? Second example we have taken by minus 5 plus 0 equal to 0 plus minus 5. Clear? So minus plus minus 5. Here we are. So minus 5 means we are getting same number. Means if in any integer we will do plus 0, so we will get that integer. Existence of additive identity means is this: for any integer x, y, z, a, b, c, d, e, f, whatever you want, 0 is called the additive identity for any integer. We have written here. Means you don't confuse about that. Example also I told. So many example you have taken. Suppose that you have taken 1 plus 0. So 1 plus 0 equal to 1. Or 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Whatever you will take, you will get 0 plus 1 equal to 1. 1 plus 0 equal to 1. Whatever you will take. Clear? So it was the condition for addition. Clear? For subtraction also some condition is there, that also I will tell you. Clear? But I am requesting you, please, whenever you are seeing the video, whenever you are doing a study, You see very carefully and understand this. And whatever, wherever you are confused, you can ask me. There is no problem. Clear? But you read very carefully. When you will take interest, then you will understand. That is not very tough. It is a very easy. Math is very easy subject. When you will take interest, when you are giving the time, then you can do easily. It is not a very tough. For subtraction also there is 2-3 condition. But when you will do subtract, if two integer you are doing subtract, you will get also an integer. Clear? When you will plus two integers, you will get an integer. And you will do minus, there is also you will get an integer. Clear? The student, please you read very carefully and note down. Clear? Thank you.